really important when it comes to written comprehension is annotation. Annotation is a skill that we tend to focus on in ICR. We do find that students find it very daunting to actually practice it. It's not a skill that is easy to apply, but we have the strategy to teach them how to apply it, and also tools to annotate with surface as well as deep annotation. Before we start on a composition, what we tend to do in class is have an in-depth discussion about it, followed by a story mountain that we follow. And the story mountain is really important here because the story mountain can actually chart all the little events that you need to focus on when you are writing your stories. Adhering closely to a story mountain is not easy for young learners. However, we've got little bits where we make the task a little bit more easier for a child to follow so that a child can actually apply and use it to help them.